Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about how to create view and detail about view. Before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. It is really helpful to grow the channel. Now let's get started. First, learn what is view. View is simply, you can say, to logically represent the subset of data from one or more table. Or in more detail, you can say a view is a virtual table that provide a way to encapsulate the complex query and simplify data retrieval. View do not store data themselves but rather than store the query definition that retrieve the data from the underlying table when the view is execute or query. Or you can simply say in simple word, view is a schema object, a stored select statement based on a table or another view. For example, this is the main table, and on the top of this main table, customer table, you can create view. On the customer table, these are the column, and in view we can select only customer key, national key, phone number and account balance. So let's learn now benefit of view. First benefit of view, to restrict data access. For example, view restricts the access to the data they display selected column from the table. Another complex query is view can be used to make simple query to retrieve the result of complicated query. For example, a view can be used to query information from multiple tables without the user knowing how to write a join statement. Okay. To another benefit is to present different view of the same data. For example, one view can be used to retrieve data from several tables. Another benefit is to provide data independent. View can provide the group of user access to the data according to their particular criteria or requirements. Now types of view, there is two types of view, standard view and materialized view. In this video we will learn about standard view, and in upcoming video we will learn about materialized view. So let's start and see the demo about how to create view in a snow site practically. So now go to snow site. This is my snow site web UI of a Snowflake, and I am using here free trial Snowflake account. Now let's create database for our demo. Here I am creating demo database. You can write here create or replace database and then your database name. Now let's use demo database. Context is set in this sheet. Now let's create customer table and national table from the Snowflake sample database. So this is the sample database. By default database, when you create a free trial Snowflake account, you can see this sample database. You can see here as well. If I go to here, you can see this sample database, and I am using here customer table and national table for this example or demo. So let's create. Here I am creating only 1000 records for both. Two table created. Let's validate. Customer table created, and you can see the record about national table. Okay. So let's execute customer table first. You can drop the previous view using this command, drop view then your view name. This view uh, here is not exist, so it's give error. If you execute this statement, you can see the this view vw underscore customer does not exist or authorize. Okay, because this is not available for now. Now let's create vw means view, prefix here writing view, and then customer, this is the view name, and let's use select statement from the customer table. So let's execute. Here the syntax is simple. You can write here create or create view, then view name, and then your select statement from the base table. So let's execute. Here view is created successfully. Now let's execute your view which create here. So you can see here the customer key, national key and account balance you can execute using this view, and you can see here this select statement. This when you execute this statement, then internally this select statement executed. Okay, so if you execute this statement, you can see same result. Okay, Using this command show view, you can check the view definition and list of view. This is the information about your view. View is created in DemoDB public schema. Account admin is your role, and this is the definition of your view. And you can see here the materialized view is true or false. This is materialized view. You can see here the true. Okay. We will also learn materialized view in upcoming video. So please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. You can also check the data type of your view for column. You can see here the column used in this view, and this is the data type. Okay. You can also check your view using information schema. Here writing here select star from information schema dot view, and where table name is your view name. So if I execute this statement, you can see here the detail about your view. You can also see the view definition and check here. Now let's create using aggregate statement. So we do not use here drop statement because this view is not exist for now. Now let's create view. Right here create view, then view name, after that as, then write here your select statement from the base table. Here I am using market segment, then count 1 for counting the customer count, maximum of account balance and minimum of account balance, sum of account balance from the customer table, and group by market segment. So it's simply this is the aggregate function of aggregate statement of from the customer table. And now create this statement to make simple view. So view is created. Now let's execute and you can see the report. Okay. Now let's create view for more than one table. Here I am joining with customer table with national table, and we use here create or replace view. This is view name, then select statement national name from the national table, and market segment from the customer table, and count of 1 from the for customer count, and maximum of account balance, minimum of account balance. This is the select statement. Okay. So let's create. View is created. Now you can execute this view. Okay. So that's all about how to create simple view. In upcoming lecture we will learn about materialized view. So please subscribe the channel and like this video if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a nice